guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. I appreciate all the comments and the love on my last video. But today, you guys, I am going to try a nail look that I seen off this girl page. Her name is Polygel Vic. I'll make sure I tag her YouTube in the description down below. I am going to put a little twist to it, just make it a little bit different on my style, but it is somewhat the same. But everything that I will be using in this video, you can look to the right. So if you need to pause to get things that you need or just to write it down for the look, go right ahead. So before we get started, I did prep my nails off camera. And for people that know, I do use the Peelable base coat, and I do use the non-C-curve square nail tips, which I will be dropping everything that I use in my video today into the description down below. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so I'm just going to take the shine off my nails. I'm going to go in with my MelodySusie nail drill. You see, guys, I did clean her off. She was a little dusty. But I'm going to use a 120 sanding bit, and I'm just going to shave off the clear part of the nail tip. Right now, since everything is filed down and the shine is off the nails, I'm going to go in with my 3-in-1 base coat by Maryton. I do just only use this as a base coat, and for my newcomers, you can use this as a nail glue or slip solution as well, but I just use it as a base coat. So I'm just going to cover all my nails with the base coat, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, and I'll be right back. That is cured for 60 seconds. I'm going to go in with my nail extension brush. I just got this off of Shein. You can get them anywhere, honestly, but they do have some good quality brushes. It's a hit and miss, but they do have good quality brushes. So I'm going to go in with my nail extension gel by Makartt in the color of Glow something. I moved it too fast. So it's a pretty yellow color, and it do glow in the dark. I just figured it out after I finished my nails, period. So I'm just going to put that all over my nail. And then I'm going to take my nail extension brush, dip that into some alcohol, some 70% proof, and I'm going to start pushing it down. Okay, now that those are cured for 60 seconds, I'm going to go in with my Astound Polygel in the color Cream Nude, and I'm going to pretty much do an ombre effect on all these nails. So I'm going to start right here by the cuticle. Now, I'm probably going to have to go back in. It just really depends. Okay, so now that all of those are, I know they look crazy, y'all. Just wait. Trust the process. But now, after I cured everything after doing the ombre effect, I'm going to go in with clear. Now, I'm going to start right here where it's flat at. And try not to touch this part because I don't want that too thick. So I'm just going to take some, I'm going to start in the middle. And I'm going to just drag that to the top. And I'm going in and dab my brush into the alcohol and start pushing that through. Now I'm going to go in with my 80 by 80 nail file and I'm going to start shaping these nails. now that those are hand filed down the way I like them, I'm going to go in with my nail file and take an 80 by 80 sanding bit and start drilling down my nails. Okay, you guys, so now that these nails are drilled down to the way I like, I'm going to take my 80 by 80 buffer by Maryton, and just buff the crap out my nails. Okay, after buffing my nails, now I'm going to start doing the design. So I'm gonna go in with my Model 1s polish in the color, it's white, but it's 0555. So I'm just going to put some of this on my little dish. And I'm just going to just see if I can dump some. All right. So then I'm just going to take a brush like this. I forgot where I got these from, but y'all can honestly use any one you want. I'm just going to take a lot of that, but not too much, and take some of it off. Now, I end up changing my brush to the Beetles. It's a brush called by Beetles. I end up changing it because that other brush that's right to the right of me, the one I was beginning to use, I didn't like it. It was a cheap brush. It's a 0 out of 100. I would never recommend that. But the Beetle brushes make it more easier for me to draw the lines. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music as you guys watch me do this design. Before I do that, just to let you guys know, it's not a specific way that you have to draw your lines. Just play around with it until you get a look that looks, look good for you. You can do tiger stripe, whatever. But whatever looks good. So I'm going to stop talking and let the music play. right, you guys, so this is the design that came out as good as I'm gonna get it. I think once I put everything on there, so I'm just gonna use these cute little butterflies that I got off of Shein for $1, just $1, and they so cute. So I'm looking to see which butterfly I want to use here. So I think I'm gonna use that one and probably put some smaller ones on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and design the nails and then put the top coat on it, cure it, and we'll be finished. Kinda, probably, I don't know. Now with the butterflies, I'm going to use my Makartt top coat, and I'm just going to cover this all over my nails, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. Tell me what you think. I think it came out pretty cute. I just add that little charm on there. Now, I did go in with my Young Nail Rose Oil, so I can get, I'm just trying to use it up. But don't, I really like this. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys can know every time I post a video. Until next time, bye.